This terrarium not only reenacts the magic of the ecosystem, but also comes with a vibrant LED light that enhances the display and optimizes the experience. Once you receive your Light-Up Terrarium kit, your child can customize the entire thing to their liking. In minutes you can instantly transform it into something eye-opening, personal, and wildly educational. Set the soil, layer the rocks, place the sand, water the seeds, find some sun, and watch as everything stretches and grows into gorgeous plants. Also, when the sun goes down, the powerful LED light will immediately illuminate the interior, creating a magical display that is just too beautiful to put into words. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Hidden beneath the lid of the terrarium is an LED light. This light is specifically designed to instantly illuminate the interior, transforming your terrarium into a breathtakingly gorgeous tabletop garden that releases bright and beautiful glows that you just have to see to believe. Now, you should be aware that this LED light feature can't be found anywhere else. Our terrarium glows nicely and will please, amaze, and be mesmerizing. You can easily control this marvelous light with the simple on/off switch on the side of the lid. Once you unpack your kit, you'll also notice a micro USB charging cable that you can use to recharge your terrarium. One full charge brings you approximately 5 hours of glimmering, satisfying light. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. This product has been evaluated by STEM.org and has been authenticated to meet the highest standards of STEM learning. Number 2. It's not often that a science project can be fun and engaging, but this terrarium hits the nail on the head and fascinates children as soon as they pull it out of the box. Number 3. With the freedom to layer their rocks, sand, and soil, and customize as they please, every child will have a blast. Number 4. Includes an illustrated instruction booklet that makes assembly simple and straightforward. Number 5. It is a miniature garden within a container that simulates a natural environment. So, let your child discover the beauty of nature by creating their own beautiful terrarium with this all-inclusive kit. Watch as it grows by the day and glows at night with the innovative LED light under the lid. Number 6. Grows by day, glows at night. Beneath the lid, there is a built-in innovative LED light that transforms the experience into something magical. At night, just hit the small switch to turn on the light and watch how your terrarium turns into a gorgeous illuminated tabletop garden. You have to see it to believe it. The light can easily be recharged with the included micro USB cable. Number 7. Kit includes terrarium jar, 4x6, light-up jar lid, micro USB charging cable, clear and easy step-by-step instruction booklet, vermiculite soil, blue sand, river rocks, wheatgrass and chia seeds, small bunny and mushroom miniatures, removable stickers for decoration, spray bottle, and a wooden stick to aid in planting the seeds. Number 8. A fun and educational gift for all ages. It's not often that a science project can be fun and engaging, but this terrarium kit achieves both. It fascinates children as soon as they pull it out of the box. With the freedom to layer the rocks, sand, soil, and stickers as they please, every child is guaranteed to have a blast. Number 9. STEM.org Authenticated Educational Product. This product has been evaluated by STEM.org and has been authenticated to meet the highest standards of STEM learning. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Love it, or your money back. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.